Tired of spending hours in the kitchen to make delicious food and still dealing with spilled oil and a sink full of dishes? For those with a busy routine but who don't want to give up tasty, crispy, and healthier meals, the air fryer is the perfect solution. Today, the 10 best air fryer recipes will be presented, so easy and quick that anyone can make them, even with little time. Want to know how to prepare dishes that impress the family, save time, and keep the kitchen clean? From crispy chicken to sides that even kids love, these tested recipes will revolutionize the way cooking is done at home. Stay until the end, because the #1 recipe is everyone's favorite. These recipes were selected based on thousands of comments from people who have tested and loved them, bringing practical, flavorful dishes with less oil than traditional methods. The air fryer makes cooking simpler, faster, and cleaner, perfect for those with a hectic schedule. Let's start the countdown. In 10th place, roasted chicken stock, a versatile base for soups and risottos. Take a chicken carcass, drumsticks, and skin, and place them in the air fryer at 190 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes until golden and the fat has melted. If needed, add 5 more minutes. Transfer to a pot, cover with water, add garlic and onion if desired, and cook for 8 to 12 hours. Strain, and there you have it, a rich, flavorful stock with zero waste. The fat from the air fryer can be used for cooking other dishes. In 9th, crispy tofu, ideal for salads, soups, or stir-fries. Cut a block of firm tofu into cubes or chunks, no need to dry it. Place in the air fryer, spray with oil, sprinkle with salt, and cook at 190 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Shake the basket and cook for another 5 minutes, stirring every 1 or 2 minutes until crispy. It's so simple it'll become a kitchen staple. In 8th place, healthier falafel, crispy without deep frying. Soak chickpeas overnight, drain, and dry with a cloth. Process with onion, garlic, basil, parsley, juice of half a lemon, and salt until it forms a grainy mixture. Shape into balls, place 6 to 9 in the air fryer, and cook at 188 degrees Celsius for 8 to 9 minutes until golden. Adjust the time for extra crispiness if preferred. Perfect for a light, healthy snack. In 7th, grilled cheese sandwich with crispy onions. Thinly sliced to small onions, spray with oil, and cook in the air fryer at 150 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes until crispy. Assemble the sandwich with bread, cheddar cheese or another melty cheese, the onions, and, if desired, tomato slices. Brush with butter or spray with oil and cook at 188 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes. The tomato adds a special touch that might become a must. Halfway there. Here's a quick story. A colleague, skeptical about air fryers, tried the falafel and became a fan instantly. This shows how accessible these recipes are and how they can surprise even the most doubtful. In 6th place, teriyaki salmon bowl with crispy broccoli, a complete meal. Season a salmon fillet with salt and pepper, brush with oil, and cook in the air fryer on broil mode for 6 to 7 minutes, or at 193 degrees Celsius. Before finishing, brush with teriyaki sauce and cook for 1 to 2 more minutes. For the broccoli, cut into florets, season with oil and salt, and cook at 193 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, shaking halfway through. Serve with white rice for a quick dish with minimal waste. In 5th, crispy broccoli or cauliflower, the perfect side. Cut the vegetables into florets, season with oil and salt, and cook in the air fryer at 193 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, shaking halfway through. Compared to an oven, it saves up to 30 minutes, ideal for a busy routine. In 4th place, crispy soy chicken, with intense flavor. Marinate chicken thighs with grated garlic and ginger, 5-spice powder, dark soy sauce, and honey, leaving in the fridge overnight. Place in the air fryer skin side up and cook at 196 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, checking for doneness. The deep flavor is reminiscent of bourbon chicken, no extra sauce needed. In 3rd, cornflake crusted chicken strips, loved by kids and adults. Brine cornflakes for the crust, bread chicken breast strips with flour, egg, and cornflakes, and cook in the air fryer at 193 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. They can be made in batches, stored in the fridge for days, or frozen for longer. Tastes like katsu, but easier. In 2nd place, perfect French fries, with a triple cooking technique. Cut potatoes into sticks, boil in water for 10 minutes until soft but firm. Drain, spray with oil, and cook in the air fryer at 196 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Shake, spray with more oil if needed, and cook at 204 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring every 1 or 2 minutes. Guaranteed crispiness with any potato type. And, in first place, chicken wings, the most popular recipe. Season the wings with 2 tablespoons of flour, a barbecue spice mix, and salt if needed. Let them sit in the fridge for a few hours, if possible, for extra crispiness. Place in the air fryer without crowding, lightly spray with oil, and cook at 204 degrees Celsius for 9 to 11 minutes, checking at 9 minutes. Serve plain or with barbecue sauce. Simple, crispy, and irresistible. These 10 recipes show how the air fryer makes quick, tasty meals with less mess, perfect for busy routines. Try them at home and share in the comments which one is the favorite. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell to not miss the next tips.